Omukoro go kwijuko mugenzi Joseph Ntama ishe Francis Mwebesa gukorirwe omakaga minister omuri Katukuru Nyakayojo Mbara district kandi gutandikire n'ekitambo cya misa ekyebembirwe Reverend Father Charles Rwanga Mutabaruka.
And when the late Ntama now talked to the late Bishop Kakubi, that's what inspired him now to begin the St. Joseph's Vocational School. Kandi rero Joseph akagaruka aho arushoze kandi akazarushoze urukukirira y'icyo Munyamtanga.
Abechika bagambira ko mugenzi yabira ryemanzi n'emirimo yakori irihanga.
Joseph Ntama akari umwana wa tata nicyo nabere mpurire icyo wa mentoringire mbyo butegeke byona nagamashaza kubagamba Nyaruguru Nyabushozi tata nwabere yagatandikire.
They originally came from Bunyoro, baza Buganda, baza Kochi, beja ishe bakana mwita Lutagasa. Excuse my pronunciation. Lutagasa akada mutabani wa Rugonya, sorry. Uwabira mutabani wa Ngoga.
Omubutumwa bwa minister yasimishe bo ahabwo kubasigera omusinge gugumire na munonga ombyedini.
Sibarahanga abuze witu umwana tunayayaka biri watsigire dini no kwikiza kwitu kandi kujya kidara rya icyaba kijyo mutwe kandi to kumanya na minister na president wa Israel na bihabiona, but it so happened that somebody speaking from heaven saying, Mwebesa, please, this is basically to pray for me and I'll be where I am and where I believe he must be.
Professor Kabwegere asime minister abugumana yujikishe kandi ashabira abanya-Uganda okutware cyo kureberaho icyo mugenzi Ntama.
Abanyakireshi abambukeze Ntamashi tindizere akaperezente umbanyankore umuntu kwakizente akwereza itungo washinkanye ni mugarurake.
Joseph Ntama akafa 2017 byo kwa kashatu urukumu rwenda cyana na mushanju kandi kwihobwe no kwisyo bwa hati atugire nayijukwa abekaye nebiyakorira ihanga. Gasha kwa Aidan Bataringaya.